Hello guys, welcome to ESG lecture series. In earlier videos of ESG, we had talked about environmental factors of ESG, where I had talked about what are the environmental factors pertaining to construction industry are affecting the environment and what are the opportunity to overcome those challenges. In this particular video, I'm going to talk about S of ESG, which is social factor of ESG. When it comes to social factor of ESG in the construction industry, several key aspects need to be taken into account. The first social factor is labor practices and workmen welfare. Ensuring fair wages, safe working conditions, and labor rights for construction workers is a fundamental social aspect. This includes providing proper safety equipment, training, and welfare compensation, safe working conditions, and compliance with all applicable labor laws. If we talk about the second social factor, which is diversity and inclusion, promoting diversity in the workplace and creating an inclusive workplace culture is vital. This involves offering equal opportunities to people of all backgrounds and fostering a respectful and inclusive environment. Let's talk about the next social factor, which is community engagement. Engaging with local communities is crucial, especially for large construction projects. Being a responsible neighbor by considering the concerns and need of the community can lead to smoother project execution. Construction projects can have a significant impact on local communities, both positive and negative. Companies should engage with communities early and often to understand their concerns and develop plans to mitigate and negative impacts. The next social factor is local employment. Promoting local employment by hiring local workers can contribute to the social well-being of the area in which construction projects take place. The next social factor is skill development. Investing in skills, development, and training programs for construction workers can uplift the industry and improve social outcome by providing career growth and opportunities. Next social factor is health and safety. Ensuring health and safety of workers is not only a legal requirement but also a social responsibility. Reducing accidents and occupational hazard is a key concern. As we are aware, in construction industry, height works, hot works, electrical works are the key challenging works which is having high risk of fatalities. These activities are crucial where an employer has to understand the health and safety measures are in place to reduce the critical injuries and fatalities in construction project. Health and safety of workers and employee is a crucial aspect which employer need to be taken care on priority. Provision of personal protective equipments while working at height, provision of processes, taking the supervision and ensuring all the engineering controls are in place should be the priority of an employer. The next social factor is employee well-being. Construction workers often face long hours, hazardous working conditions, and other challenges. Companies should invest in programs to support the physical and mental health of their employees. The next social factor is human rights. Companies should respect the human rights of all stakeholders, including their employees, suppliers, and the communities in which they operate. This includes avoiding the use of forced labor and child labor. The next social factor is ethical sourcing. Ensuring that the material used in construction are ethically sourced and supplied either to fair labor practices and environmental standards. The next social factor is affordable housing. Addressing housing affordability issue can be a significant social contribution. Developing sustainable and affordable housing options can have a positive impact on communities. The next social factor is biodiversity and land use. Preserving and protecting biodiversity and natural habitats around construction site is essential to maintain social harmony and environmental balance. The next social factor is stakeholder engagement. Involving stakeholders such as local communities, NGO, and government bodies in project planning and decision-making processes can enhance social acceptance and minimize conflicts. The next social factor is responsible marketing and advertising. Ensuring that marketing materials and public communications accurately represent a company's commitment to social responsibilities and sustainability. Incorporating these social factors into ESG consideration in the construction industry not only reflects responsible business but also aligns with societal expectations, regulatory requirements, and long-term sustainability goals. Additionally, it can enhance a company's reputation, reduce risk, and attract investors and clients who value ESG conscious practices. Overall, implementing social factors of ESG sustainability is a win-win for both construction companies and their stakeholders. It can improve employee morale and productivity, reduce the risk of labor disputes, improve reputation, and reduce long-term cost. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you really like the video, please hit the bell icon and do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.